Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites, OS compatibility and admin access. Once done, choose whether you need a software auto clicker or a programmable hardware keyboard. For software, pick reputable options and prepare to grant permissions. For hardware, ensure firmware tools are available. Make sure to temporarily pause antivirus that blocks unsigned installers, then download the installer from a trusted source. You want to begin install immediately, so you can configure behavior and test quickly. You install and configure the tool next. Run the installer as administrator and pick a custom install to avoid extra toolbars. Accept drivers only from the installer. Once installed, open settings and assign hotkeys for start/stop, adjust click interval in milliseconds, and choose click type. Use recorded or scripted macros if you need sequences. Then test inside a harmless application to verify timing and behavior. If it misfires, dial interval up and rebind keys, so you won't disrupt normal typing. You finish by saving a stable profile and backing up the config file so you can restore preferences. Enable Launch on Start only if you need persistent behavior, and secure hotkey assignments to prevent accidental activation. If the utility fails, run it as administrator, close conflicting apps, update input drivers, and reinstall with a clean profile. As a troubleshooting tip, if clicks are ignored, increase interval to 200-500 ms and test. That resolves timing and focus issues more often than reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.